Hi guys, I want to shoot this very quick video, and short video by the way, to share with you what's happened in 2018 when it comes to sale of properties in 3 prime areas in London. And what I'm going to be sharing with you is the data from Lonres, which do some amazing data across the board. So the first thing I wanted to show you, we're going to be focusing partly in Q4 of 2018, but we'll also be looking at the overall market for 2018 as we go on to almost the end of the first quarter of 2019. So time does fly. So we're going to start off with the average square foot for these prime areas. So we're looking at £1,175 per square foot on average what's sold in these areas. Another thing we're going to look at is 56% of properties where asking price was reduced before the sale. So that's 56%, which isn't that much different from Q3 of 2018. So we can see the same trend going along. If we look at 63% of agents surveyed actually saw prices fall 10% or more from the peak levels. And these are peak levels from 4 years ago. And that's also interesting to see in terms of the percentage, and again continues to be very consistent. If we look at the overall 2.9 billion total value of sales for 2018, and again these are the prime areas which we'll share on this particular video. So one thing that I found interesting was that the portion of buyers using agent buyers for me seems to be increasing. That's certainly the case within our offices, and it just goes to show that it's challenging to actually find quality properties out there at the moment, and I feel that buyers are actually feeling that pain. And certainly for buyers that I speak to on a daily basis, because we're very proactive calling buyers and finding out how they're getting on in the market. And it goes to show that there is a lack of quality properties out there. And my colleagues and I, we feel that this is an excellent opportunity if any sellers that are out there perhaps wanted to sell at the moment and thinking we actually will sell when the media becomes a little bit positive because we feel we won't be able to achieve the prices that we want to achieve. And I think right now is an excellent opportunity to put a property that has just a great value and is in a great neighborhood and just stand out from the crowd at the moment, because there isn't much out there at the moment. So just something to think about if you are thinking of selling a property. Have a chat with one of our professionals here in the office and just find out exactly what's happening in the neighborhood, because I'm sure you're getting mixed messages all around. So that's the a recap for 2018, and if there's any questions that you have, just feel free to reach out to us. Again, my name is Danny Valencia with My City Nest. Thank you guys.